and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is packed full of laundry motivation. I have about 5 to 6 loads of laundry I need to get done, including my laundry, towels, Shiloh's laundry, bedding, and I'm just gonna get it all done today. That way I don't have to do it over the weekend and worry about it. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. If you are new, welcome. My name is Belle and I do cleaning videos. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my future uploads. And let's get this laundry started. So for this video, like I mentioned, I am doing a ton of laundry. I am starting with mine and Jerry's laundry. There were about 4 or 5 loads in the basket, and I just threw in mostly dark clothes for this one. The laundry soap I am using is from Method, and I believe it is in the smell mangoes along with the matching scent beads. I absolutely love these scent beads. They dissolve in hot water and everything. Though I am trying to switch to all natural products, I will be attempting to make my own laundry soap once I use up all of the good smelling stuff. Let me know if you guys have ever attempted to make your own laundry soap and how successful it was. I'm super curious about how you can do it, ways to do it, because I know it can save you a ton of money, which I love saving money. So let me know down in the comments below. Anyway, let's continue this laundry motivation and get some of this laundry done. So the way I like to do my laundry, me and Jerry actually do it very differently. For me, I like to get it all done and then throw all of the clean clothes in the basket and bring them upstairs and fold them, which you'll see me doing later. But he likes to do them individually, fold them when one load is done, bring it up, put it away, and just kind of repeat that cycle. For me, I like to just fold laundry in one big pile. So I do that with Shiloh's clothes and our clothes. How do you guys do laundry? Do you prefer to just fold an entire basket at once, or do you prefer to fold each load when they are finished and put them away?
I've tried, written down the words to say, it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way.
So my basement needs a huge makeover. We have currently lived in this house for about 2 years, and the basement floor was previously painted green probably a million years ago because it is patchy and chipping, and same with the walls, to be honest. And like I said, we've only been here for 2 years, but I cannot wait to actually start getting this basement nice and tidied and clean. I actually have cardboard boxes everywhere from my Amazon problem. But yeah, just so anyone is aware, my basement is a basement, and I don't have one of these beautiful laundry rooms you see on YouTube that most people have. And yes, my laundry utilities are in the basement and underground, which is a bit creepy, and lots of spiders and bugs and those little weird silverfish thing. It's not one of the most pleasant things to do, but once it is upgraded and tidied up and repainted, it'll look a little bit better.
You can take my breath away. Yeah, it's when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away.
Moving on to Shiloh's clothes, this is the last load of laundry I have to wash and dry. And of course I will go in and fold these a little bit later on. Shiloh is responsible for putting all of her clothes away. But yeah, I do use the same settings for her clothes. Sometimes I'll put them on a gentle cycle. But anyway, here is a montage of me just folding all of the clothes for extreme cleaning motivation, extreme laundry motivation, whatever you need to pull from this video. I hope that this video brings you that motivation.
We collide, to our doubts. Faces filled with sadness. When words are said, we'll regret. I can see the fire that we made just to save us. When we try to make up for never letting go. Said the things we promised not to say, then we break up just to start all over, even though we know this is the hard way better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better.
So that is it for today's video. I really hope this brought you all the cleaning motivation that you needed to get up and get your laundry done. I had about 8 loads of laundry and I got accomplished within maybe 6 hours because at one point I did forget to run the dryer while the towels were in there. Kind of cut that part out. But mistakes happen, life happens. But anyways, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I am looking forward to doing tons more cleaning videos, laundry motivation, prepping, decluttering, organizing, the whole 9 yards. So I really hope you guys stick around for my journey and join me on this declutter with me journey that I am on, because I am a firm believer of a messy house and a messy mind, and I will constantly say that throughout my videos because I just find peace in cleaning. So I really hope you guys will consider joining me. Give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it, and leave me some amazing comments down below. How do you guys like to do your laundry? What kind of detergents do you use? What kind of smells do you guys use? Do you do your kids' laundry differently? Let me know down in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you guys all in my next video. Bye!